In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Avalanche's future while examining Avax cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions in the event that torrential slide is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will torrential slide succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will torrential slide value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is torrential slide and its to-date history. Torrential slide is a general stage for sending off decentralized finance applications, monetary resources, exchanging and different administration. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other state-of-the-art innovation. Group behind the task is Avalanche, and designers at Avalanche guarantee that torrential slide is the principal savvy contracts organization to offer exchange finish in less than 1 second as standard. Avax sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside torrential slide and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide is the primary shrewd agreement stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the sum of the Ethereum improvement tool stash, and empowers a large number of free validators to take part as full block makers, as well as supporting exchange absolution under 1 second. Torrential slide is equipped for throughput significant degrees more prominent than existing decentralized blockchain networks and security limits well over the 51% principles of different organizations. What is the torrential slide token? Avax is the local badge of torrential slide. It is a hard-covered, scant resource that is utilized to pay for charges, secure the stage through marking, and give a fundamental unit of record between the different subnets made on torrential slide. How is the torrential slide organization got? Torrential slide is a proof-of-stake convention which rewards clients for marking coins. POS networks have experienced harsh criticism for their low assault cost, which at times has uncovered serious weaknesses. As indicated by Avalanche, torrential slide gets around this by changing administration to make it everything except unimaginable for an aggressor to acquire the fundamental agreement secretively. Torrential slide value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-11-20 plus 3.05% $15 1020221121 plus 4.38% $15 2920221122 plus 3.25% $15 1220221123 1.94% $14 3620221124 plus 1.34% $14 8420221125 1.31% $14 4620221126 4.28% $14 0220221127 plus 0.56% $14.73 2022-11-28 6.17% $13 74 2022-1129 9.54% $13 25 2022-1130 3.28% $14.17 torrential slide coin value expectation 2022 Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 18.69% $11.91 2023 Jan. 33.99% $9.67 2023 Feb. 31.50% $10.03 2023 Blemish. 25.48% $10.92 2023 April. 17.90% $12.03 2023 May. 14.57% $12.51 2023 June. 4.77% $13.95 2023 July. 4.00% $14.06 2023 Aug. 2.37% $14.30 2023 Sat. Plus 11.01% $16.26 2023 Aug. Plus 9.87% $16.10 2023 Na. Plus 16.40% $17.05 AVAX value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees AVAX coming to $29 in 2025. What will AVAX be worth in 5 years? The cost of a VAX in 5 years could lie around $26.09. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees torrential slide coming to $72.51 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees torrential slide coming to $145.02 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could torrential slide reach $100? Indeed, torrential slide could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Could torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000 yet just in a removed future. After 2030, is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise speculation? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $8.53. In the long haul, it could leap to $72.51 or considerably higher. How high will torrential slide go? Our determining model sees torrential slide value detonating and